Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you actually can delete posts on BeReal application. Sorry. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download BeReal application on your phone if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, if you already have that, just ignore it, ignore all of that. But if you don't, you would like to go and actually download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, and any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here and actually open my BeReal application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this steps tutorial. So here, as you can see, let me just first tell you about the concept of this actually application. So as you can see here, you have one post per day. You can post more, and you, of course, if you didn't post, you'll not be able to see other people BeReals. In the discovery, the posts will be hidden here for you. So of course, the post contains, as you can see here in discovery, two pictures at the same time, one with your front camera and one with your back camera. And that's actually kind of the concept. So let's say, for example, you already posted your BeReal and you maybe didn't like it and you do want to post another one. So let me just tell you first that BeReal allow you to delete your BeReal just once a day. So if you go and click at the three dots at the top right corner of the post, as you can see here, I don't have here the option of delete BeReal because I already actually deleted one BeReal this day. But if you actually didn't delete any BeReals today, you will have here an option delete my BeReal. Just go and click on that. Choose the reason why do you want to delete it. If you don't want to tell them the reason, click at other and you'll be good to go. You'll just want to click at next and you will be good to go. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.